Hello, this is Kynosys. In this video I captured the process of making a wooden table. I'm going to make it in the shape of Seoul, the capital of Korea. I was going to cut oak, but I cut mahogany wood from a sawmill near my workshop. I flattened the cotton with a router before working on the CNC. Even though I did ventilation and dust collection in my sanding base, the dust is amazing. I worked on digging out the shape of Seoul and the Hangang with CNC. The names of the 25 districts marked only consonants. The Hangang is a little bigger than it actually is. The dug shape is almost the same as the map. Organize and sand the dugout with an air tool. The rotten part of the side was cut off and trimmed. Linseed oil is applied to the surface. I put an LED on the outline of Seoul. And finish with plastic clay. The surface is neatly organized. I found a Luther bead to dig out the side of the Hangang. In order to put LEDs inside the Hangang, the sides were dug out with a router. Plug the blue LED into the dug groove. All the wires have been taken out to the floor. The blue LED is very pretty. I blocked the side of the table, put sand in the Hangang and poured resin. I've cut the wood for the bottom of the table. I like it very much because I peel it and cut it with an electric planer. It's a wood that's been stored for a long time, so there's a crack on the side. The top and bottom of the wood were flattened with an electric planer. Put the LED in the split part of the wood and do resin work. Wood can even use its split shape nicely. It's very pretty when I turn on the LED. Fix the rubber on the bottom and apply linseed oil. Dig a hole in the back of the table to install the LED switch. It was a hole with a diameter of 100 millimeters, so I worked on it several times. Dig the outer line with a hole saw and dig several holes with a magnet drill. Use the bearing bit step by step to work on the router. 3 more holes were drilled for the sensitivity of the touch switch, and when I tested it, the switch worked well. With a router, a hole was dug in a circle 20 mm wide and 15 mm deep on the bottom of the back. Urethane resin is added to this to prevent the wood from cracking. I don't think the outside of the table will be opened anymore. Urethane resin hardens very fast. It hardens in just a few minutes. Apply linseed oil on the floor as well. Use a special double-sided piece to secure the lower column. And I sprayed silicone to ensure that the table and the lower pillar are in close contact. Make a hole with a chainsaw and cut wood to suit its shape, bond it and insert it. I think it will be fixed very strongly. It's not visible because it's on the lower side, so I worked on it roughly. I work on the LED that will illuminate the lower part. And I installed the switch and worked on the wires. This switch is a non-contact switch and also has the ability to adjust the brightness. It's done. The surface of the table is lacquered once more. I put sand on the bottom of the Hangang, but it's prettier because the foam of the blue resin seems to mark the current. In addition to the ability to turn on and off, the contactless switch can also adjust the brightness. The district, which is divided into 25 districts, was replaced by the Korean consonants of each district name. Please look forward to the next episode for a detailed explanation of Hangul and Hangang. Thank you.